So here we go. I'm covering up my doobry bits, like, you know. This is my rather abortive go at the 090. I'll see you in the next one. Don't get turned on, Gary. So here are the bits. Now, this is the donor Komandurski Cadet. That gave me the 2409 movement, which I've been assured is very, very new inside there. You can get this case from eBay seller Bestrus, and that's the Komandurski.com gilt ring crystal in there. That's beautiful, isn't it? There's a mark of quality Soviet case back for an Amphibia, twin lugged, brand new ring. Komandurski.com, Komandurski.com, Komandurski.com hands. I don't know if they're going to glow up as they should do. Let's show some authority to it. But then, and you'll notice that is the black. And the dial came from Meranon, M-E-R-A-N-O-N. They still have it in stock. It is the navy dial one. It's the one without the date in it. That's why I wanted the 2409. The movement ring came from Komandurski.com, and there you are. There's the donor from this. It's now sitting in the movement ring, and it's all like tied in. This has got very good loom on it as well. I've been very, very gentle with this dial. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. So that is going to absolutely shine. Right. So there you go. These are all the off-the-shelf parts except for the donor of this. It should have been off the shelf, but he didn't have one. Right, and he said, well, I've got this one. It was only put in a couple of months ago. Bish bash bosh. So bish bash bosh it was. So sorry about the light, but I have very bad eyes. Unfortunately, it's very difficult to talk. What's it? So let's get some hands out. Because I'm dealing with dial parts now. Let's have some. Yeah, it's so warm and muggy at the moment, right? It's unbelievable. I find it very, very uncomfortable. Right. Now then, that one there. That one there. And that's one there. Is I'm going to put these back. The only way they stay good is if they don't stay fiddled with, because there's a silver one mixed in there with the black. I don't want to lose that one either. So, little lid on. I'm not used to wearing rubber gloves, I'm afraid, so it's the mercy. I have to bear with me. Right. Let's have a go at this. That's never wrong. Let's have a winder. I've got the bloody hole in that one there. Well, this is turning into very much a nightmare. Second hand is now erratic, it's like all bent. You know, I mean, I'm really struggling with this, like, you know, but I mean, you know, what can I do, like, you know, I mean, I've put something underneath it, just like a bit of Rodico underneath it to stop it, like, you know, not supporting the bloody thing, but I mean, the main hands are on there perfectly, but so all I'm going to do is I'm going to button it up, right, and we'll have a look at the end result. See you in a minute. Well, I'm back again. Right, I had a few problems, like it's cost me one second hand already, but as you can see, that one's on there now. So it is now just a matter of getting the bits together for the final build. First things first, I've already cleaned the dial, so give this a good clean on the inside finally, just to make sure there's no dust or dirt or grime. Fought me all the way, this is. Just get the magnifying glass out again. It's gone too far.
This is an automated message from the Western Canada. Due to the projected increase in voting turnout, your polling location has been changed.
Telephones ring across the nation, giving directions to the wrong polling station. The source of the call is anonymous, a robot voice that you should not trust. A pipeline of power, you just grab it out of the boardroom.
The problem is, it's a stupid bloody plastic rings. They are dreadful. They don't sit properly like the metal ones do. You've got to be so careful because, you know, the wrong thumb or finger in the wrong place and bosh, all your work's just gone out the window.
God stood up on election day. I had a date, but at a different place. You're so
This is
good
the only large,
suppressing my vote. Me and my franchise are so alone. Dial the number, you're here to stay. The PMO is just a call away. Fair elections act makes me a target. Will you accept the charges? What you tell me isn't true. I must now hang up on you. What you tell me isn't true. I must now hang up on you.
I'm going to have to turn it off again. Well, it's buttoned up. It's turned into an absolute fucking nightmare. I don't know what's the matter with these bloody second hands or something, but the first one I've lost, the second one it just wouldn't fit in the hole, and now it's jammed up and you know, I mean, it's working, but I mean, it's just an absolute piece of shit. Fed up with it, like, you know, I mean, it's hard enough to see it. I put the microscope on it to see it, but I just so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it there and, like, you know, I'm going to put it down for another day. Right, you know, I'm really disappointed that, you know, that I've lost one bloody second hand, like it just wouldn't fit properly. I mean, you know, what can I do? I mean, you know, I'm kind of stuffed. So I'll call it there for the moment. Well, hello folks, this is a bit of an introduction. Like, you know, I've been working on my 090 Amphibia build today. It's turned into a bit of an absolute piece of shit, like, because the stupid second hands you get, like, you know, I mean, one pinged off into oblivion, the second one doesn't fit and it's now bent itself. You know, I am sick to death of watchmaking. I am sick to death of hands, for second hands. I can get the normal hands on all right, but when it comes to the second hands, I just can't do it. And I've just had enough of it, like, you know. So I've put it down for the day, but I think that, you know, this will be the last one I attempt to do, because it's just too irritating. You know, I mean, I'm getting it lined up, I'm using a bit of ruddy code to keep it in place, I'm pushing down and ping. You know, I'm just fed up with it. I mean, these people who make it look so bloody easy and all that, like, you know, all good to you, but, like, you know, I am, you know, I don't dare touch any of these things, even if I'm doing this silly bloody watchmaking course, because, you know, it's, what's the point? Like, you know, I'm just going to end up fucking it up. Well, here's something you haven't seen. It's so hot today, I've not even got a shirt on. How's that for a fucking scare, you lot? And that's what happens. That is the free gift that you get if you eat nothing but KFC, bacon sarnies, and stop doing anything physical. So, you know, if you want one of these, just sit there, have a good fag every 2 minutes, like, you know. Once it, you know, just sit there watching the telly and, you know, enjoy your KFC and bacon sarnie with a garnish of, like, half a pot of mayonnaise or something. Then you too can have an 8.5 hour operation and one of these. That's lovely. See down there, it's actually, see where it's separated a bit, like, you know. So there you go. My nipples. Nice one. I bet that gets demonetised. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. I'll see what I can do with that one. If it comes to it, I've got one second hand left. I might actually just, if somebody could, like, you know, like somebody local say, bash, here, like, you know, give us 20 quid and I'll put it on for you, sort of thing, you know. But you know, I've just had enough bloody, like, you know. Put it this way, I can get to the point where I'm just going to sort out all the ones that I want to keep for myself for good, right? And I'm just going to flog the bloody rest of them. That's how cross I am with it all. Right, catch you later. Well, a quick update. As you can see, it's now got a second hand in. It is now fitted all altogether, and it's got the original cadet second-hand in. It's doing the job. So I'll do another video on this later on, and we'll catch up on that one.